Family Zone uses routines and calendars to help parents manage their children's screen time. If you would like to review or make changes to your child's routines or calendars, simply go to the Family Zone website at www.familyzone.com. Then click on My Account in the top right hand corner here. Then log into your account with your username and password. And select the child you would like to review. Let's have a look at my daughter Matilda's routine. Just click on her routine here. You can see here that Family Zone uses colours and symbols to identify what access period your child is in. Black means sleep time and it has a little moon symbol. During this period, Matilda does not have any access to the internet. Blue with the backpack means school time. During this period, Matilda is at school, so she only has access to educational internet. If your school is a Family Zone partner school, the school will control this time period and their policy will govern what the students have access to during school. You can, however, override this if your child is home from school. You can tell that the school manages this access period by the little lock here and the lines throughout. Green with the gaming console means playtime. Matilda will have access to the internet during this time period. However, she will still be filtered to her age profile. To see what your child has access to during playtime, please refer to our age profile controls videos. Light blue with the book means study time. And like school, Matilda will only have access to internet categorised as education. This is a popular feature as it helps teenagers focus and get their homework done without being distracted by social media or gaming. To make a change, simply click on the routine bar at the time you would like to make the change. Select the desired type icon. Then simply click and hold down your mouse button. Drag it along the bar, stretching it to the desired time. These changes will automatically save when you close the screen. And if you're on a touch screen, such as an iPad or a phone, you can simply use your finger. You may have noticed there are two types of routines, school days and rest days. Rest days have been designed for weekends and holidays. You can see here that there's no large chunk of school during the middle of the day. You can set up this type of routine for whatever the rules are in your household around screen time. You can see here I've given Matilda some screen time in the morning time, as I'm secretly hoping she will give me a sleep in on the weekends. But I don't want her sitting on her iPad all weekend. Okay. The routines are managed by our calendars. Let's have a look at how the calendars bring your two routines together. Click back here on Users and click on your family. And click on the child's calendar who you'd like to review. I'm going to click on Matilda. And click on her calendar. You can see here that the calendar is broken up into school days and rest days. Blue are for school days and grey are for rest days. If your child is homesick or has a pupil-free day and you would like to make a change, you can simply click on the day and select Change to Rest Day. If your school is a Family Zone partner school, you'll get a message that's simply telling you that you're overriding the school's policy, which is completely fine as your child is home from school that day and the school will get notified of the change. You may notice that the grey triangles in Matilda's Fridays. That's because you can edit an individual day's routine. This is super handy for weekends when you don't mind the kids staying up a little bit later. Let's go in and give Matilda a later bedtime for Saturday nights. Simply click on a Saturday and choose Edit this day's routine. I'm going to give Matilda some more playtime from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Simply click and click the gaming console and then drag it along to 9 p.m. If you'd like to make that a routine for every Saturday, simply click on it again and choose all Saturdays. If you'd like to see what your children have access during playtime access, please refer to our age profile control videos.